This kitchen is smaller than most apartments we renovate. Why do some small kitchens feel expensive and others never do? Let me show you exactly how we designed this one and how you can apply the same thinking to your own renovation. Most homeowners I meet are already committed to renovating. The fear isn't should I renovate, it's what if I spend all this money and it still doesn't feel right. This showroom is our answer to that fear. Low ceilings, no extra square footage, designed in only 2 days, and yet every detail is intentional. Luxury isn't about size, it's about the right decisions. My grandfather started a small carpentry shop nearly 55 years ago. My father joined on nearly 35 years ago, becoming a master carpenter, learning the ropes from his father. And here we are today. My uncle and I built the brand voice online, showing real kitchens and real work. I grew up watching my grandfather build flat panel kitchens in the 90s, clean lines, no noise, no excess. This space is that philosophy executed with today's tools. If you've ever renovated before, tell me, what disappointed you the most the first time? Let's talk about why this feels expensive before you even notice the features. First, material restraint, walnut, white veined marble, steel metals, mirrors, and that's it. Second, reflection, mirror cabinetry, mirror backsplash. We're not adding space, we're multiplying the light. Third, lighting integration. You don't see fixtures, you see absolute glow. Expensive kitchens don't announce themselves, they reveal themselves slowly. In a second, I'll show you the exact features people think are luxury upgrades and which ones actually don't matter if the design isn't right. Here's what we're working against: low ceilings, tight footprint, and Manhattan logistics. And we designed this entire showroom in just 2 days using materials sourced from Europe. So every decision had to be worked on twice as hard. When space disappears, clarity becomes luxury. Integrated appliances, not hidden, unified. Touch to open and integrated handles, no visual clutter whatsoever. Custom pantry and a wine cooler column. Roll-out drawers, vertical tray storage dividers, utensil drawers near the stove. These aren't upgrades, they're how we respect people's actual cooking experience. Marble integrated stove tops, integrated knobs, the technology disappears, the material stays. Drying rack on an island, functional but invisible when it's not in use. Luxury is when function does not interrupt beauty. Now, which one of these would actually change how you use your kitchen? If you remember nothing else, remember this framework. 1, limit your materials, fewer decisions, read as confidence. 2, integrate everything you can, appliances, lighting, and hardware. 3, design vertically. When the space is tight, eyes go up, not out. 4, hide function without sacrificing access. 5, let craftsmanship do the talking. If you're already planning a renovation and you want to feel intentional, not trendy, that's exactly what we do over here. Come see our showroom in person or start the conversation. This isn't for browsing, it's for homeowners who are ready to build it right. And guys, if you like this video, drop us a like, comment, let us know what you want to see, and always subscribe to the channel for more content coming to you guys shortly.